Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0732S, in color code 001. It's a black-brown color frame. The style of the frame is Fashion Pilot, and at the top of the frame over here we have a Gucci emblem in black. On the temples here, we have a gold Gucci writing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a gray color, and at the top right lens, we have a Gucci logo engraved in the lens. Up here, we have a case to put your glasses in. Colors may vary with purchases. You also get a dust bag, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.